January 21, the beginning of Aquarius. We got the big storm, since biggest one in 3 years, 2014. Swirling. Snow coming off the top. A little ridge forming, sort of freezing over the edge. It's very strange. Beautiful whiteness. I'm going to go up and see if I can get any food in there for the birdies. Enough. This is nope, won't come off. I'm not gonna bother. Too hard to clean off. A little white on the roof. Wind is blowing it off on that little edge up there as it's dry snow. Taking my little evening constitutional. See how beautiful the white sits up on these leaves of the Akuba. Doesn't like this kind of cold weather. They're tropical kind of plants, but they survive. Get around this house quickly. I don't like this to be more than 2 minutes. See the light turn on when I go underneath? Whoa! Didn't go on. It must be covered with snow. Out to the car. There goes the big bus driving by. Got some lucky winners on our board. The house. See what's going on the streets here. It's a little slippery. Look at that funky old van. You know that guy was working. None of these people should be out. Welcome home on the snowiest day in 3 years. Up in the trees.